What happened? What happened?
I get it out.
Wait, let me get your paper towel.
What's that?
I good.
Your tooth. Coming. You can see the blood. Okay. Ready? Not yet.
Uh-oh, that's your baby tooth. What you call that thing?
Sister tooth.
Can I see?
I'm seeing it here.
Hey, explain. What happened?
What happened?
I
Wipe your
get
mouth.
it out.
Wipe your mouth.
No. You mean my lips.
Yeah, okay, your lips then.
What happened to your tooth?
Go, you explain what happened.
Come here.
Hi guys, I'm back. I just gargled water from the bathroom so to take out my blood off of my mouth. So my tooth is in here.
Show it.
I'll show you it.
What you gonna do with your tooth?
Wait. Check. What's the name of your baby tooth?
Where are you gonna put it after?
Under my pillow.
Okay. Spray.
There.
How many already?
5.
Why are you gonna put it under the pillow?
For the tooth away.
Okay. Yan, say goodbye na.
Bye.
Click the what?
Subscribe button. Like and subscribe.
Yo.
I want to tell my life. Bye. Stop.
Okay.
Bye.